Gino's eating some prickly pears. Yes, that's very good. It's fire. They're going ham. They love this stuff. You're both throwing in the same shot. Chewy, you just peed yourself. Gino, what's up, dude? Gino's like, what does Chewy have? Even though he's got a big ass piece under his arm. Do you like it? Look at this dinosaur. He's so cute. Look at that tongue. You're so cute. And you're so small. Am I disturbing you? Oh, that's what you wanted. Bye. Bye. Look at that face. You're a star. Yes. Oh, you're fierce. You're scary. You're so scary. You're so scary. Rah. Rah. Rah, 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 rah. Look at this star.
Hey, wasn't that dangerous